We infect ourselves with evil to transform it.
Alchemy.
Spiritual alchemy, yes. It's a different narrative. When you look at it through the very limited scope of I'm lost in duality, I try to be good and I try to fight evil, then you identify on the good side of duality, and then of course good is good and evil is evil, and then definitely world religions are all evil. Sorry, on the different perspective, when you leave the duality game and look at it from above, it is a loving planetary Gaia consciousness that accepts a guest here that has fallen, that is traumatized to the bone, reduced down to his mental field, in a madness, trying to restage his own demise, his own end, by bringing in the narrative of transhumanism that always ends up with the destruction of the planet. And she accepted him here to give him another chance in restaging the narrative, to break through in time into his own healing, to not end up in the same way as always. Yeah? And if you look at it from that perspective, evil is not evil anymore. Evil is just a reflex of restaging a sad narrative, hoping that this time it takes a better end. And then world religions are well orchestrating humanity diving into that darkness to come into the position where you can transform it. Yeah? So, two different perspectives, two different narratives. This is how we need to look at reality, because the perspective is 95% responsible for the sense you bring into a story. If you are a cockroach on the ground and someone is walking home, his boot is what is killing you. It's a matter of perspective. Yeah? It doesn't make the man walking home a bad man. Yeah? It's just a different narrative.
Yeah.
And you can take any perspective you want and have your own narrative, and this is what life is about, combining billions of narratives into material planes to make experience. And some things are related, other things are not related. This is life.
You said in another podcast that it was then actually afterwards researching.
The revolution of healthy living starts here. Feel the power of sea moss, shilajit, black seed oil, and many more organic bio-based superfoods. Discover nature's strength with over 10 collections and 100 products to start living naturally. Unlock your wellness today at mymineral.com.